In today's video, I bring you a trading strategy that can be used in the time frame from 30 minutes onwards on any type of financial asset. The indicators that we will use will be the Bollinger Bands and the RSI. In my case, I will be using the strategy on the 30-minute chart in Bitcoin. The first thing we will have to do is select the Bollinger Bands. We will leave the parameters as they come by default. We will put the white color to the upper and lower bands and red color to the central band. The second indicator will be the RSI. We will put this indicator with a parameter of 11 periods. We will deactivate the moving average. The rules for entering a buy trade are simple. We will simply have to wait for the price to be outside the Bollinger Bands. At the same time, the RSI is above 70. The stop loss will be placed below the last low and the take profit in the areas of supports and resistances. The rules for entering a sell trade are simple. We will simply have to wait for the price to be outside the Bollinger Bands, and at the same time, the RSI is below 30. The stop loss will be placed above the last high, and the take profit in the support areas and resistors. It is advisable that before making operations, 2 or 3 candles appear outside the Bollinger Bands to confirm a movement. Let's look at some examples to make it clearer. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.